Look, this is now the first that I've heard of this. I'm trying to get hold of the attorney that is dealing with this issue. I am really just disappointed because I just want to see my husband. Is that too much to ask? He's a South African citizen. We have rights, all of us. This is ridiculous. It's like a witch hunt, man. I am exhausted. I just want to see him if he's okay, so that I can just go sleep also, and put, just like I said earlier on, so that I can just put the children at ease also as well, because he is a family man. Yeah, that's basically it.
So you're once again saying that the lawyers have not told you as a family where he is?
They said they were busy with the prosecutor earlier on. They didn't inform us now. I don't know what the issue is. I'm sure they will, but as it is now, I've not been informed where he is, what his whereabouts is now at the moment.
Because the police have told us that he is fine, the necessary checks have been done, and during the transit to KwaZulu-Natal, he was given the breaks, he had the rest overnight, he was given food, etc. And so none of that has been communicated to the family.
But that is the word of the police. I'm his spouse. I would like to see for myself. I don't need a middle person to tell me that my husband is okay. This is wrong, man. On every level, it is just wrong. I mean, we've been sitting here since 10, 11 o'clock. You guys got here, we were here. We haven't slept, like I said, in 2 days, just to see if he's okay. Earlier on, I also said, it's heavy-handed, the whole case from the beginning to end, and this is wrong. He's a member of parliament to be treated like this.